Every giant begins with stone, carved from the earth itself. Stone is broken down, prepared for the strength of a vertical city. Even the desert contributes to the foundation of the impossible. Refinement begins where raw power meets precision. Water, the silent binder, fuels every structural bond. The recipe of strength begins with careful selection. Consistency is engineered before creation even begins. Every element, even the smallest, shapes the final form. Purity ensures the strength of what will stand for generations. Old metal finds new purpose in a towering future. Energy flows beneath the surface, driving every movement above. The journey begins long before construction rises. Here, the raw world gathers, ready to become a legend. Across vast distances, the future is carried forward. Precision begins with measuring every ton delivered.
Papers and load check complete. You're cleared.
Every load is verified before becoming part of history. The flow of materials never stops, only transforms. Gravity takes over, feeding the machines below. Grain by grain, the structure begins to take shape. Steel arrives, ready to become the skeleton of a giant. Order transforms chaos into controlled strength. Every drop plays a role in binding the impossible. Fine powder becomes the core of monumental strength. Inside the system, motion never truly stops. Human precision guides industrial power.
Rebar to conveyor entry.
Multiple elements unite to form a singular purpose. Now, the transformation truly begins. From the desert floor, a new skyline begins to rise. Every movement is controlled within this engineered ecosystem.
Safety is the first layer of every structure built. Gear checked. Moving in.
Machines stretch upward, chasing the limits of height. The heart of construction beats in concrete. Timing is everything when building at this scale. Liquid stone is pushed toward the sky. Everything begins at the foundation. Beneath the surface lies the unseen network. Vertical movement defines this extraordinary build. Each level brings the vision closer to the clouds. At height, precision becomes survival.
Careful with this section.
Steel bones define the strength within. Structure takes form before it takes shape. Before strength is added, every surface must be pure. Precision is verified before permanence begins. Even the mold must be prepared for perfection. Every layer serves a purpose in the final reveal. Flow must be flawless when pressure meets height. Preparation ensures smooth movement under extreme force.
Millimeters decide the integrity of the skyline.
No detail is too small when building at scale. The stage is set for transformation. Safety anchors every step taken above the ground.
All clear. Proceed with the pour.
The flow begins unstoppable and precise. Liquid stone fills the future frame. Shape is guided while the material still breathes. Strength is sealed by removing what cannot be seen. Relentless flow drives the tower higher. The structure grows as the mold ascends.
Steel leads, concrete follows.
Strength forms quietly within. Even heat is controlled to protect integrity. Temperature defines the strength of the core. Each layer lifts the ambition higher. Even hidden surfaces demand perfection. Infrastructure is built into the very bones. Precision keeps the tower true to the sky. Control ensures consistency at every level.
Pour on the rebar! Guide it steady! Got it! Flowing now!
Human coordination drives mechanical perfection. Layer by layer, the tower claims the sky. Now, technology takes the lead. The skyline shifts as the tower accelerates upward. Each lift carries weight beyond imagination. Steel connections bind the tower's strength. Engineering defies gravity with every meter. Even the wind must be controlled at this height. The core grows stronger as the tower climbs. Hidden systems power the life within.
Hook coming down! Guide it! Copy, I said, Daddy.
At great heights, teamwork becomes survival. The outer skin begins with hidden anchors. Transparency meets the sky. The tower begins to reveal its final form. Higher still, beyond the limits once imagined. Every movement is tracked in real time. Data predicts the behavior of steel and stone. Precision flow ensures structural consistency. Technology guides every lift with accuracy. Straightness is enforced by beams of light. Automation keeps the climb steady and true. The environment is constantly observed and adjusted for. Safety evolves alongside innovation. Nothing is lost in a project of this scale. Movement within the tower is engineered from the start. Even as it hardens, the structure speaks.
Upper level! Confirm connection to finishing section. Confirm connection stable. Proceed by second.
Connection keeps the entire system alive. Construction never sleeps under engineered light. Now, perfection takes center stage. Every panel reflects both precision and ambition.
Aligning left edge now. Right side secured. Perfect fit.
Seams disappear, leaving only perfection. Clarity defines the tower's final image. Inside, refinement mirrors the exterior precision. Every surface is measured to perfection. Above, structure meets functionality. Movement within the tower is perfected. Light defines the atmosphere within. Maintenance is engineered into the design. Details bring the structure to life.
Every inch is checked against perfection.
Upper section alignment confirmed.
Systems awaken within the silent structure. The final touch prepares it for the world. Now, the tower must prove its strength. The structure must prove its strength under scrutiny.
Simulated forces peak here. Live readings confirm it. Designed to withstand forces unseen but powerful.
Every surface is tested for resilience. Vertical movement must be flawless. Safety systems stand ready for the unexpected. Comfort is engineered into every space. Power flows through the tower's veins. Even at great heights, flow remains constant.
Team, evacuate now! Move to the exit!
Copy, following you.
Preparedness is built into every level.
Nothing is left unchecked.
The tower comes alive in light.
Everything works as one unified system. The vision is now reality. Every surface is refined until it reflects perfection. The structure now becomes a living space. Movement connects every level of ambition. Even inside, the sky is always present. The tower prepares to announce itself. Every detail is verified one final time.
Clear on this level?
A structure rises that redefines the horizon. A structure rises that redefines the horizon.
From foundation to sky, the impossible is complete. A structure becomes a living city in the sky. Control is now in steady, expert hands.
Handover confirmed. Monitoring Burj Khalifa systems.
Even completed, the structure is constantly sustained.
This is how human ambition touches the sky.
And this is how the world's tallest building was born from vision, precision, and time.